Welcome back to Storytime Kits instructional video from the Independence Public Library. My name is Vonnie, and we have this opportunity today to create a party popper. Something like this. You'll need the supply kit from the Independence Public Library. From home, you'll need crayons or markers or colored pencils or whatever you're comfortable with. When you've collected your supplies, go ahead and restart the video. Inside your kit, it should contain a covered tube with one end tied, some candies, and some stickers. To create our party popper, we're just simply going to create or decorate our tube. You can do that in any way you'd like to. If you want to add just markings to it, maybe you want to add snowflakes or stars or stripes or circles, anything you'd like there to that. Oh, you can add some of the stickers that are included or some of your own if you have some at home you want to use. There's fun foam included with this. You can add those, different shapes. Add this snowflake right up here by my snowman. And maybe another snowflake. Feel free to decorate this in any way you'd like to. And maybe I'm going to draw some more stars on mine. Okay. Maybe on this other side I'm going to add some more stickers. And maybe another flower here. When you have it decorated in any way you'd like to decorate it, now is when you would add your candies inside, so they go inside the tube. I'm going to make sure and push them all the way down. Okay, and to finish, I'm going to carefully twist the end there, grab your ribbon, tie a little bow or a knot. If you have a pair of scissors, maybe Mom could help you curl those. You could tie a bow there too if you'd like. Okay. A quick fun craft to share with a friend, or mom, or dad, grandma. And there you go. Oops. As always, Make sure and pick up all of your mess when you're finished, your supplies. You've done a fantastic job today. Any way that you complete your popper is perfect. It's your creation, your creativity. You'll do wonderful. Some of the books that we have at the Independence Public Library that talk about celebrating are Happy Eat All Year by Keith Baker, Wild About Us by Karen Beaumont, Tea Party Rules by Amy Dykeman, and of course, A Birthday for Cal by Jan Thomas. Thank you for joining us today. Come and see us soon at the Independence Public Library. Stay safe.